So if this is your first iPhone, I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware that there are tons of ways that you can back up your photos, but some are easier than others. Apple makes it super easy to back up your photos using iCloud Photo Library, and today I wanted to show you that feature and how it works. So if this is your first time actually backing up your photos, I wanted to make sure that you are aware that this uses your iCloud storage. Apple gives you 5 gigabytes of storage for free, but anything more than that you're going to have to purchase. So make sure to understand how much storage you're actually going to need before you actually turn this feature on. I'm going to show you how much storage you'll need on iCloud to store all your photos, so you'll kind of have an idea of whether or not the 50 gigs will be enough. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So we're on the home screen right now on my device, and we're going to go ahead and start using the settings app for pretty much everything going forward. So let's go ahead and open up settings, and then we're going to scroll down here to general. Once you tap general, go ahead and go to iPhone storage. This may take a second to load if this is the first time you've ever used it, but once it loads, you'll be able to see the amount of storage that is taken up by photos. What you can see is mine's only 2 gigabytes. Of course, this is very wrong because I'm actually using iCloud Photo Library right now, and this will make a little bit more sense here in the near future. So for you all that are not currently using iCloud, what you'll want to do is make note of this storage number that you have on your screen right here. So let's go ahead and go back, and we're going to go up to the very top and tap your name and go ahead and hit iCloud. So at the very top up here, you'll see apps using iCloud, and photos is on for me. For some people, this is going to be off, and this means that your photos are not currently backing up, which is the point of this video. So let's go ahead and tap into that and turn on iCloud Photos. So what this does is it takes your photos and uploads them all to iCloud. And of course, this is going to depend on how much storage you have. So personally, I have the option to optimize iPhone storage turned on. What this does is it takes the lower resolution version of the photo and keeps it on the phone and uploads the high resolution or the full resolution to iCloud. In case I need the full resolution, once I tap on the photo on my phone, it then talks to iCloud and downloads the full version. This allows me to keep that 2 gigabyte amount of storage on my phone, where technically I probably have closer to around 30 to 50 gigs worth of photos, maybe even more. So this is a feature you'll need to choose whether or not you want the download and keep originals or the optimize iPhone storage. Personally, as you can see, I'm using the optimize iPhone storage. So another feature is going to be the upload to my photo stream. What this does is it takes your last 30 days worth of photos and uploads them to a photo stream that's across all of your devices using the My Photo Stream. This is something that I've left off in the past, but I felt like it was a cool feature that allows me to see my last 30 days on my iPhone as far as the photos I've taken. So I've recently turned this on. And you can choose to upload burst photos as well, which will of course take up more storage. These will be uploaded to your regular iCloud Photo Library storage, but with this ticked on, it will also show up on your photo stream as well. So there is another option down here at the bottom, which is called shared albums. What that does is it allows you to create shared albums that you can share with your friends or anyone else that you give the iCloud link to. Personally, I have that on. So from here, we're just going to go back one screen, and you can see at the very top here at the storage section, I'm using 250 gigs of our 2 terabytes. Of course, that's not a lot of storage that I'm using of that 2 terabytes right now, but I do love the service that iCloud offers, and I plan on using this in the years to come. So I went ahead and purchased the max 2 terabyte option. So if you get a notification on your phone saying you may not have enough storage in order to upload all your photos, this is where it'll give you the option to buy more storage. This is something you'll need to evaluate. If you want to use iCloud Photo Library to its fullest ability, you definitely will need the amount of storage that it's asking you to purchase. So please keep that in mind. So everyone, I hope this helped break down iCloud Photo Library a little bit easier for you and helps you understand how you can back up your photos securely and safely using iCloud. If you like this type of video, make sure to subscribe because I'm always coming out with new content, and hopefully you'll find some more things on the channel that you'll find interesting. Thanks so much for taking time out of your day to watch the video, and we'll see you next time on Shayway Tech.